this is Francine. So I've been asked some questions about how my face looks so smooth and looks so clear and whatever. So I decided to share with you guys a little bit of what I do, you know, to keep my face clean and smooth. I'm just gonna go straight into the video and show you guys what I do to have a nice smooth baby face. Okay, so these are the products that I use to get that flawless smooth baby bottom. But anyways, let me get straight into it. I'll show you guys exactly what I do. So first, you guys gonna need a container. Definitely gonna need a container. Also gonna need a rag. I use a rag, but it's better to use something thin. So try to get a thinner fabric. It's better. We're also gonna need like a fork and a spoon. So first I'm gonna put 2 spoons of the oatmeal. This is one of the products that we're gonna be using for oatmeal. I'm gonna use 2 spoons of this. It all depends on how much, pardon the mess. It all depends on how much you want to make. So this is a little bit for me because I don't need a lot. And then you're gonna need baking soda. I actually use 1 spoon since I use 2 spoons of the oatmeal. I'm gonna use 1 spoon of the baking soda. I really don't feel too well right now. Okay, so you're gonna add that in there, and this is how it looks. Alright, that's how it looks right now. So you guys, what you're gonna do next, you're gonna add some water. And that's why we're in the bathroom. So I can't tell you guys the measurement of the water, but I will show you guys basically. So this is the water. And you can use a spoon to store it. This is where I use my fork so I can basically try to take all the ingredients out of this, because this is not the cream oatmeal. As you can see, this is the flake one. If you get the cream one, that's even better. It's already smooth and already mashed. But this one I have to mash it with the fork to make sure I get all the ingredients mixed with the baking soda. You see the color changing? That's how it's supposed to be. That's how you know your oatmeal is mixing in there. Keep doing that for like a good. I normally try to get it all in there, try to make sure that oatmeal, make sure it's properly combined together so you could have a good product, you guys. Alright. You're gonna also need a bottle because you want to make sure you're making a product to have it at hand. So what I do is I have my little bottle which I purchased from the nearest finance store. It's a spray bottle, you guys, so you know. And I also label it Francine's face cleaner. Hello. I label it because I just tend to like to organize myself, and I want to make sure that I know at hand what's in the bottle. So anyways, we're gonna open this bottle right here. It's very small, and we're gonna also need another container, which I forgot to get. So let me get another container. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to set this bottle aside right here. So we're going to put this basically. We're going to put this rod over the empty container, like that, and just give a little pork that has like a little bit, you know, push it down a little bit, and then we're gonna use this. Shake it up, make sure it's nice and store. If you have sit it down for a little while, make sure you shake it up. Make sure nothing's settling on the bottom. Now we're gonna pour this in there. Pour it all in there. We're gonna take this rag. And basically gonna squeeze so that all that nice ingredient basically go through the cloth. And this is what we're gonna have here. See, all of it is gone, but you guys, we have a nice, wonderful product. And this is the baking soda with the oatmeal mix. This is the color that is supposed to look, okay? Any other color, negative, not good. This is the color that it's supposed to be, all right? And the next we're gonna use a little fancy little bottle, okay? And then we're gonna pour our final ingredients in the bottle. Alrighty, mine is not a full bottle, it's me a little bit. About that. And then we're gonna cover our bottle. And there we have it. A face cleanser. I'm basically gonna spray. I like to spray like a good amount, and then you're just gonna rub it in. And you're gonna rinse your face off, of course, after you apply that. So I like to leave it on for a little few like 1 minute or so, and then I'm gonna rinse it off, and that's it. Oh my gosh, like as I'm rinsing my face off, like I could feel my hand just, oh my gosh, like slipping off of my face. Like, you guys, look at that. Look at how beautiful and shiny my face is, okay? Look at that. So anyways, you guys, so thank you guys for watching my video. Kind of like, okay, comment below, and also if you guys would like to share the love, press share below. And also for you guys who are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. All right, later.